ready to ditch the 9 to 5 and chase those fleeting market opportunities. Let's break down exactly how to set up a day trading account with Chase Bank, maximizing your potential while minimizing the risks. First things first, head over to Chase.com and click on the Invest tab. You'll see different investment options, including Chase Self-Directed Investing. Formerly You Invest, that's the platform we're focusing on for day trading. Now choose the type of brokerage account you want to open for day trading. A standard individual account is usually the best option, unless you're specifically looking to day trade within a retirement structure like a Roth IRA, which has different tax implications. Fill out the online application. This will require your personal information, including your social security number and employment details. Be honest and accurate, as this information is used for verification and tax purposes. Crucially, understand margin requirements. Day trading often involves using margin, which is borrowed money. Read the margin agreement very carefully. Chase will outline the minimum equity requirements to maintain your margin privileges. Ignoring this is a quick way to lose money. Familiarize yourself with the Chase trading platform. Practice placing trades, analyzing charts, and setting up alerts. Use the platform's tools to your advantage and always test strategies with small amounts of capital before going all in. Finally, and most importantly, develop a solid risk management strategy. This includes setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, determining your risk tolerance, and diversifying your portfolio, even within your day trading activities.